So I was going to Alcoces, but I missed the right train. So at one metro stop, I went down and I'm here waiting for that right train going to my destination. See you. See you there.
G-Xchange.
The information officer told me that I ride a train again going to G-Xchange and then go outside and take taxi from there, because if I take taxi from here it would cost me a lot, perhaps because this is the airport terminal 1.
Will arrive at platform 2.
Let's go.
G-Xchange. The next station is G-Xchange.
Hi, so we have decided to suspend our going to the migrant workers office in Alcoces because it's traffic and we do not want to spend a lot on taxi expense. I don't want to download as well the Kareem since I'm saving the data that I have currently. So I decided to go to the library, which is also a destination that I want to go to and explore. Therefore, let's go to that metro station over there, G-Xchange, and we're heading to ADCB metro station. Hopefully, I'll be able to walk without too much sweat and reach the Manco Library. According to Google Maps, it would take me around 18 minutes walk after I reach the ADCB metro station. Go down and then yeah. Hopefully, we're gonna have a good time there, and we'll continue to have a vlog about my expedition towards becoming a registered OWWA here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Yeah, thanks for watching.
المحطة القادمة هي City Center Vera. The final destination of this train is Expo 2020. The next station is City Center Vera.